Hi, this is Priyankesh. I hope you all are doing great. In this video, I'm going to talk about the solution of sample set which is being provided by IGIDR. So let's get started. Okay, so this video is in continuation with the part second, and in this I'm going to cover the next 10 questions. So let me begin with the question number 21. So here you can see that it is saying that x square plus px plus q equals to 0 has two roots r1 and r2. Okay, and we have to find the r1 square plus r2 square. So first of all, we need to understand for any quadratic equation, we know that two properties, that is the sum of roots. Let's say here it is r1 and r2. So r1 plus r2 equals to minus p by a. So by that property, it will come out to be p minus p, and r1 into r2, that is the product of the roots, that is c by a. So it will come out to be q. Okay, and this r1 plus r2 square will come out to be r1 plus r2 whole square minus 2r1 r2. Okay, now put the values. So this will be minus p whole square minus 2q. So finally it is coming out to be p square minus 2q. So look at the options. So option 2 is the right option. So let's move to the next question. So in the next question, it is asking about the find out the radius of the circle. So first we need to understand what is the general equation of circle. So it is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. Here we have center minus g minus f. Okay, and radius is under root g square plus f square minus g. So the value of g is minus 3, and value of f, if we compare these two equations, we'll get, okay, so value of f will come out to be 2 and c is minus 3. So radius will come out to be under root minus 3 square plus 2 square and minus minus plus 3. So finally it is coming out to be under root 9 plus 4 plus 3. So at the end this will come out to be root 16, or it will be finally 4. So option 1 is the right option. Now let's move to the next question. In this question, this kind of question we have already discussed in our trial classes. So if you have seen it, so you'll be able to do it very easily. Here it is, you can see that x is a function of y and y is a function of t. So it is asking find out the derivative of x with respect to t. Okay, there can be two ways to solve this question, because we have to find dxy dt, and here x is a function of y. So first find dxy dy and then multiplied with dy by dt. This could be one way, and second way is to, in the given function, the given function is 1 plus y to the power minus 4, and you can put the value of y in this. So this will come out to 1 minus log 2t power minus 4. Now you can differentiate. So I'm doing it by second method. Okay, you can also do by this method as well. So this will come out to be minus 4 1 minus 2 log t power minus 5, and will again differentiate because of chain rule. So this will come out to be 0 minus 2 differentiation of log t is 1 upon t. Okay, so finally this will come out to be 8 by t. In denominator you will get 1 minus 2 log t to the whole power 5, or alternatively you can write it 8 upon t 1 plus this minus 2 log t is y, so 1 plus 5 to the power 5. Let's look at the choices. So here it is 8 upon t 1 plus y to the power 5. So option 3 is the right option. Okay, here it is asking about the find out the limit, that is limit theta is tending to 1. This is c1 minus theta minus 1 upon 1 minus theta. If you put the limit 1 here, so this will become 0 by 0, that is indeterminate form. So we have to apply L'Hopital rule. Okay, so this will become by L'Hopital rule, this will become limit theta tending to 1, and this will become c to the power 1 minus theta into log c and then you have to further differentiate this 1 minus theta, so this will come out to be minus 1, and then you differentiate this 1 minus theta, so this will again come out to be minus 1. This minus 1 and minus 1 gets eliminated. Now put the limit, so here this will become c 1 minus 1 and log c, so finally this will come out to be log c. Let's go by choices, so option 5 is the right option. Okay, now let's move to the next question. So we have in this problem we have log. Okay, so this is log 10, log 14 by 7 base 10 plus log 68 base 10. So you can see that bases are same, so we can apply the property log m plus log n equals to log mn. So log 14 by 17 into 68 base 10. So 17 4 is 68. Okay, so this will come out to be log 10 4 into 4 4 square, or log 10 log 16 base 10. So this will be your answer. Okay, now let's move to the next question. It is asking about the find out the derivative of the inverse function. This kind of question is very important. I have already discussed in my trial classes. So let's have a look how to solve this question. So here it is y equals to x power 5 plus 3. Now let's transform it into this form. X equals to f of y. So this will come out to be y minus 3 equals to x to the power 5. Okay, so x will come out to be y minus 3 to the whole power 1 by 5. Okay, now differentiate it with respect to y. So this will come out to be 1 by 5 and y minus 3 to the whole power 1 by 5 minus 1. And then we'll further differentiate this y minus 3, so this will come out to be 1. So finally it is coming out to be 1 by 5 and y to the power y minus 3 to the power, this will come out to be 4 by 5. So if we go by choices, so here we can see that there is no option mentioned here. Okay, so option will be none of the above. Let's move to the next question. Here we have given that find out probability A union B equals to 0.6 and probability A intersection B equals to 0. We have to find the probability of A complement plus probability of B complement. So we know that probability of A complement equals to 1 minus probability A. Okay, so this is the first thing that we are going to use, and second thing that probability of A union B equals to probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. Okay, so if we transfer this term to the left side, so this will become probability A union B plus probability A intersection B equals to probability of A plus probability of B. Okay, so let's apply this thing. So probability of A complement plus probability of B complement, this will be equals to 1 minus probability of A plus 1 minus probability of B. So this will become 2 minus, in the bracket it will come out to be probability of A plus probability of B. Okay, so here in the place of this we can put this, and the values of A union B is 0.6 plus 0.2. So this is 2 minus 0.8, and finally it is coming out to be 1.2. So option is 1.2. Okay, now let's move to the next question. In this question, this is asking about to find the equation of tangent to this circle, and this point is given. So in order to find out the equation of tangent, you need to first find the slope of the tangent, and for that you have to differentiate this curve. So this will come out to be 2x 2y y dash minus 6 minus 2y dash equals to 0. Okay, so let's take y dash as common, so this will come out to be 2y minus 2, and shift the other term to the right side, so this will be 6 minus 2x. So y dash is coming out to be 6 minus 2x upon 2y minus 2. Eliminate the 2, so this will become 3 minus x upon y minus 1. Now find out the slope at 1 comma 1, 1 comma minus 1. So this is coming out to be 3 minus 1 upon minus 1 minus 1. So this will be 2 upon minus 2. So this gets eliminated and slope will come out to be minus 1. Now for equation of tangent, you know the formula, that is y minus y1. So y1 is minus 1, so this will be y plus 1, and then slope, This is -1 and then x minus x1. So x1 is 1. Now solve it. So this will become minus x plus 1 and finally it is coming out to be x plus y equals to 0. Okay. So this is the answer. Let's go by choices. So option 4 is the right option. Now let's move to the next question. So here it is given that dy by dt equals to 2 and initial value are given, and it is basically asking to find out y here because it is saying solve. So when you solve it, you have to apply the integral. So when you apply integral here, this will come out to be y and this will come out to be 2t plus c. Since initial condition is given that when t equals to 0, as y is a function of t, so y will be 5. So this will be 5 and here 2 into 0 plus t. So c is coming out to be 5. Now put this value in this equation. So ultimately the expression will come out to be y equals to 2t plus 5. So this is your option. So by choices, 2t plus 5. So option B or option 2 is the right option. Okay. Now let's move to the last question of the session. So here it is saying a card is selected at random from a deck of 52 cards. What is the probability that card selected at random is queen or spade? So first you need to understand about the deck of 52 cards. So in a deck of 52 cards, there are 26 red cards and 26 black cards. Okay. In 26 red cards, there are 13 hard cards. There are 13 diamond cards. Okay. In black, there are 13 club cards and there are 13 spade cards. Okay. And out of every these 13 cards, there is one ace, there is one queen, there is one king, and there are there is one jack, and rest are a number from 2 to 10. Okay. So we have to select the queen and spade. Okay. So here you can see that we have 13 spades. Okay. And one queen is already added here. So remaining 3 queens will come from this, this, and this. So total number of cards will be 13 plus 3. So this will be 16. And find out, this is our favorable cases and the total cases are 52. So this will be our probability. Okay, so when you divide it, so this will come out to 4 4 is 16 and this will be 30. So finally it is coming out to be 4 by 30. This is your answer. That's all from my side. If you're preparing for IGIDR 2021 exam, you can join this channel and like this video and share it with your friend. Also subscribe the channel for more updates. Stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you.